I actually got 4 shirts and 3 trousers for this haul from Bhane. This brand exactly caters in case if you are looking for a wide fitted clothing or relaxed fit clothing or clothing that have some different aspect to it. What's up my stylish people, this is Shashank. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another Myntra shopping haul, but this time we are gonna explore a new brand when it comes to Myntra. They do not have wide variety of options when it comes to Myntra, but still it is a fairly new brand and it is not cheap by any means. It is gonna be expensive, but right now I got all these products on sale. The brand name is called Bhane. In Telugu actually Bhane means good. I'm not sure what's the intention behind just keeping that name for that particular brand, but in general I am saying for few Telugu guys who are watching my channel, you can relate to that particular word called Bhane. And almost each and every piece I got for a price point of 999 rupees. They want to make their brand looks like a premium brand. Maybe that's the reason behind their pricing strategy. Generally, this is a 90s inspired label. This is the particular brand along with the Mr. Bowerbird that actually gave me the vibe of a Zara clothing or a H&M clothing when it comes to their availability on the Myntra. This brand called Bhane actually is a designer brand. That's why I feel that they have a limited number of options when it comes to the clothing. Starting with the shirt number 1, which I am wearing right now. It is a black and white regular fit striped shirt from Bhane, which I got it in a size of 39. It is priced at 3,300 rupees. Absolutely not worth for 3,300 rupees, but I got this for a price point of 1,200 rupees. What I like the most in this shirt, of course the color combination, and if you guys know me, vertical stripes are my favorite guys. That can make you look slim, but this being an oversized shirt anyway, you're gonna look slim only. And apart from that, I like the color combination. Here the base of the shirt is a white color and they have this subtler stripes. They have a two type of a different vertical stripes to it, one with a thicker black stripe and other is a thinner black stripe as well. So the stripes are subtle and I love the color combination of the black and white color. And number 2, how it fits. Yes, it's an oversized shirt, but oversized shirt generally most of the brands they go wrong. But this one they have this drop down sleeves which almost covers the half of my hand, and I particularly like this vibe. And number 3, when it comes to the compositions, the composition, even though it's 100% pure cotton shirt, it feels something like a linen fabric. If you don't know that it's a cotton one, you might feel that it's a linen fabric. So that's what I love because it's for summers, and what's better, the fabric composition you want. And number 4, generally for shirts you do not get slit pockets. For this shirt you do have slit pockets on both sides. That's what I liked it, and also I got this at a price point of 1,200 rupees. Moving on to the shirt number 2. It is a beige full sleeve shirt from Bhane, which I got it in a size of 39. This is also priced at 3,000 rupees and I got it for a price point of 999 rupees. So what I liked in this shirt, of course the color. This color is a super versatile color. You can go with this color literally during any season throughout the year. Even though it's 100% cotton, this is actually a premium version of the cotton guys. The cotton for the hand itself, it feels so smooth and you can feel that it's a premium version of the cotton. That's how good the material it is. And number 2, what I like the most is the color coordinated buttons. If you guys can see, they have this same beige color coordinated buttons as well as the threading. So I like that attention to detail. And number 3, the fit of it. It is a slimmer fit option and it fits absolutely well to me. It fits just like a tailored shirt. But there is one minor disqualifier that comes with the design of the shirt. If you turn this shirt to the back side, here you have this orange color strap to it that has been stitched to the shirt. I don't know like whether this one looks great with the beige color. If it is for any darker colors, I think this would have made sense. But for this beige color, I think it minimizes the classicness of the beige color, good fitting shirt from Bhane. So I didn't like this particular color in combination with this beige color. So even though the quality of the shirt is good and it fits me well and I got this at a price point of 999, I'm not entirely sure whether I'm gonna keep this one or not. Moving on to the shirt number 3. It is one of my favorite in terms of the color because this color is best suited for summer seasons. This pastel kind of vibe you get with this peach pink color from Bhane. It's really great guys. It is a full sleeve shirt from Bhane which I got it in a size of 39, but I would suggest you guys to size up because it fits a little bit too slim. What I like the most in this shirt, of course, other than the color, as I mentioned with the previous shirt, the color coordinated buttons. And number 2, the button down collar. Even you can't see the buttons are beneath the collar. That's a great attention to detail. And number 3, the material of this shirt. Even though it's a 100% cotton shirt, the material is so thick. I'm not entirely sure whether that's a good move during the summers, but in terms of the versatility you are going to get with this shirt, I think it's a better move because of the material thickness and how stiff the material. but still feels smooth. You can use this shirt as a layering piece as well during the winter season. That's how you can see me wearing right now. Moving to the last shirt from Bhane. And do you think so? I would not include a white shirt when it comes to the summer seasons. Absolutely, this is a must-have shirt during the summer seasons. And I got this full sleeves white shirt from Bhane, which I got it in a size of 39. And this is a regular fit shirt and it fits me perfectly. Whatever the advantages I mentioned for the shirt number 2 stays the same. And whatever the disqualifier I mentioned also stays the same. Extra stitching on the back side. But this one, actually it makes sense with the white and black contrast because both are the neutral colors. And even though the contrast is a bit more, but still I think this one looks better when it compares to the shirt number 2, and this one makes the shirt looks unique as well rather than the odd combination of orange and beige. As we are done with the shirts, now let's move on to the trousers, starting with the piece number 5. It is a pastel pink slim fit solid chinos from Bhane, which I got it in a size of 32. It is priced at 2,800, but I got it for a price of 999 rupees. I can imagine the reaction of most of you people the moment you have seen the inclusion of this particular chinos in this haul. Who would wear a pastel pink or a pink color bottom wear? My suggestion to you guys, don't limit yourself to a particular colors. Always I suggest you guys to invest in neutral colors, but don't make your style stagnant. Always keep your style also versatile along with the versatile pieces. You do need to have statement pieces. If you carry colors like this, the confidence you are gonna get by carrying or pulling these kind of outfits, it will be enormous, and I'm pretty much sure that you will be the stylish guy around. And what's the better season than summer to experiment with this kind of color combinations? But you have to ensure that you need to tone down the colors when it comes to the rest of the outfits. That's what you have to consider in case if you need an inspiration for styling this. I already released a YouTube shorts video. Coming back to this trouser, what exactly I liked apart from the color? The number one, the length, the inseam length of the trouser, actually it's perfect guys. It's 29 and it ends well. Actually it's a little bit cropped, but I like that vibe when it comes to the summer seasons. Not only when it comes to summer season, 2021 is all about cropped bottom wear, and it is in alignment with the trend. And number 2, the same way, the color coordinated button. Even the button has been color coordinated with the pastel pink color. And number 3, the material composition, even though it's 100% cotton, it have a slight stretch to it, and the material screams quality. But there is a minor disqualifier as well. Even though it's mentioned as a slimmer one, they do have a little more extra room. It feels like a straight cut pant, but generally that is also trending, straight cut pants, but they have mentioned it as a slim fit pant. I don't think so it is a slimmer fit. That is something which you need to consider if you are opting for this one. Moving on to the piece number 6. It is a blue slouch fit cropped trouser from Bhane, which I got it in a size of 32. It is priced at 2,800 rupees. This one also I got it for a price point of 999 rupees. Whatever I mentioned for the previous trouser in terms of the color choices you pick for the summer season stays the same. The ideology, basic ideology stays the same. But whatever the disqualifier I mentioned for the previous trouser will not apply for this one, because for this one actually the fit is a slouchy fit. So you do have that extra room, and the evenness of the fit, I liked it. It's a proportional one. So that's what I liked. And second thing, the pleats. If you guys can see here, they have the pleats on both sides. That also adds to the versatility. If you tuck in a white shirt with this blue one and wear a white sneakers, you are good to go when it comes to the summer season. And make sure that the white is a linen option. Then you're gonna look even more stylish as well, because you're gonna rock that relaxed vibe. And if you go with the bulky sneakers also, it's fine. If you go for the low top white sneakers also, it's fine. And the length, being it a cropped trouser, I feel length is also perfect. Moving on to the piece number 7 and a bottom wear number 3. I also ordered a jeans as well. It is a side contrast tape, black washed slim fit jeans from Bhane, which I got it in a size of 32. Generally, when it comes to the side contrast stripe or tape trousers, you can find an extra layer of stitching most often than not. But here they have gone with this paint in this gray color. The metallic gray in combination with this black washed, actually it's a space gray kind of a color, looks great. But there is a minor disqualifier that this paint actually sticks to the other side when it is folded. I think purposely they did this paint job, an irregular one or a vintage kind of a vibe, and also that aligns with, in case if it sticks to the other side, it have a tendency to peel off. I'm not sure that how long it will last, but in terms of the fit, when it comes to this jeans, it fits me well, like how a slim fit should fit. And the black wash is just perfect. It do not have too much of fade to it. and also when it comes to length also, the length ends just right. It is priced at 3000 rupees and I got this also for a price point of 999. For price point of 999, being that side contrast stripe or tape trousers are in trend since last 2 years, I think it's good to invest with this particular jeans. But for a price point of 3000, of course not. And you also have to consider that how many days or how many washes this paint may last, and if it goes more than like half or 3/4, it may not look presentable. That is something you need to consider. If you want any party kind of a outfit, then this particular jeans comes into play, because you're not going too overboard when it comes to the colors. You're going with a black neutral color but have a slight fade to it, and when it comes to the side contrast stripe, you have this metallic gray which actually shines. In case if you have a gray color sneakers or a white high top Converse sneakers, just pair with that and experiment with the rest of the outfit and you can have an easy party look. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys like this Bane haul from Myntra, and this is the first time I'm exploring an entirely new brand which I haven't used a single piece of clothing from that particular brand. I liked how they fit on me and I like the vibe they are giving and also the premiumness of the materials. If you ask me, is it worth for the retail price points? Of course no. If you ask me, are they worth at their discounted price points like how I got for 999 rupees? Then I would say yes. I hope you liked this video. If you did so, don't forget to click the like button and also subscribe to this channel. That's it from me. See you guys next time.